I will cut the bus bar first for all the packs. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the nickel strip for the 7 cells, 14 pieces, negative positive pole is completely we cut, and now it's time to test the voltage, and then we install the insulator caps, and after that we do the spot welding, and after spot welding we will install the bus bars. It's time to grind the cells. Actually that can do before, but it's okay, I was forget. Now I will use my grinder to remove that remaining particle of nickel on the cells. The grinding is complete, all surface now smooth and clean. So now it's time to install the insulator and remove the low voltage cells. All cells now completely cleanly installed. Insulation is installed. The voltage drop test is complete ready after 2 months almost. The weak cells I replace it with the already tested powerful cells. So now it's time to do the spot welding. Spot welding is complete, and now it's ready to install the bus bars. And first we make the bus bar, and after that we will do the installation of BMS, and it will be ready.